Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme on your Shopify store. So let me first show you what my Shopify store look like. This is a brand new account, and in order to view your Shopify store, click on store on the lower left hand side under these menu options here. You will see even the eye. And if you click on the eye, you will be able to view your Shopify store. Now, this is what the store look like. This is the default theme. And of course, in order to actually see themes, you can go ahead and you can just expand it. So let me show you by default. So if you are on the store, you can just simply click the eye and it's going to allow you to view the store, and this is going to open up the new window. But you can change the theme by, once you click on the store, you have the option to add pages and also theme. So if you click on theme, you will be able to actually see themes, and you can go ahead and you can change different themes and you can customize it. As well, if you're on the home page as well, you'll be able to see the section where it says design your store, and it says browse pre-designed themes, and you can go ahead and choose themes from here. You can also use the AI to basically describe what you want, and it's going to basically design the store for you so it looks really nice. So you can choose any one of these option or way path to actually go to those Shopify store themes so you can actually change it. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I will basically do that. So here is the current theme, and I can choose, for example, customize, and yeah, it's going to go ahead and just allow me to customize the theme. It's going to allow you to customize your store if this is what you want. But to actually change the theme, you have the options there from the previous page to do that. So let me go ahead and go back to that previous page and just show you how to easily change the theme. So this is the current theme that I'm currently using, and you can see down here that it shows some popular themes, and these are free themes. So all you really have to do, guys, is to scroll through, find themes, right? You can also go ahead and find view more themes as well so you can see it. But I'm going to go ahead and just choose, for example, a simple theme right here, and we just go ahead and click on add. Once you click on add, you will see that the theme of your store is changed. So currently you can see that it's up installing right there, and just go ahead and just wait for it to install on my store. And there you have it, guys. The theme is now, let's say, added or to the store. All I have to do now is choose to publish if I want to use this specific theme. And once I publish it, it's going to replace the current one that I have on my store. That's just a few clicks, and that's it. So the theme is no change, right? I know I'm now using the Horizon theme, as you can see. There's also others that we can use. You can choose whichever one you want. You can go ahead and you can even buy themes if you want to use something, right? So let's go ahead. It says here, view your store. You can go ahead and you can basically view your store. You can also import themes if you have themes as well to import. So you can import themes. So let's go ahead and click on view store. It's going to open up a new window, and this is the current theme that I'm using. Now I'm going to go back again and show you, because I know that looks pretty much similar, but if you want to use another theme, you can also do that as well. So have a look at this one. This one is Savor. I can click on Savor, for example, and as you can see, it's currently installing Savor. And the reason why I'm showing you another theme so that you actually see the difference, because that one is basically looking pretty much similar like the current one that we have. So let me just close these two windows here, and we will just wait for this to install, and so you can see the difference between those two themes. All right, so Savor is there. And so what I'm going to do right here is just simple click and publish. And here I'm going to go ahead and click and publish right here, and just simple add the Savor to my current shop. So this is it. It's now the current theme and the default one. And so I can quickly either view the shop, or I can just click the store icon here on the left hand side and click on this view icon here, and it's going to take me over to my shop again. And as you can see, this is the theme. So yeah, guys, go ahead and play with themes, as I will show you as well. Now, if you want to see more themes, guys, these are just a few of the popular themes. You can simply scroll down and click where it says visit the theme store. Click on that. It's going to open up a new window for you, and here you'll have a lot of different themes that you can check out, right? And if you're looking for the free ones, let's say you want to get started with free themes, just simply look towards the left hand side where you have free. Check this box here, and you will be able to find those free themes that you can basically get started with. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add new themes or change a theme on your Shopify store. Very easy and very simple.